Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the Portronics Auto 15 and its cable, because model differences change how you connect. First, charge the unit to at least 50% or plug it into the car 12V socket while the ignition is off. This prevents voltage spikes. Once powered, turn the unit on and identify the USB, aux, and Bluetooth LEDs so you know which mode will accept your phone. Make sure cables are undamaged before proceeding to pairing or cable connection. Once the unit is powered, choose the correct connection mode based on your goal. Use USB for charging or digital audio, AUX for analog audio, and Bluetooth for wireless streaming. For Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth on your phone, search for the device name, typically Auto 15, and tap to pair. Enter a simple PIN only if prompted. If using USB or AUX, plug the original cable firmly into both ends. Then check your phone shows charging or routes audio to the car device. Finish by securing cables so they don't interfere with driving, then test media playback and call quality to confirm the connection works under real conditions. Next, switch your car stereo input to the Auto 15 source and set matched volume levels on both the phone and car, because mismatched gains cause distortion. If something goes wrong, first reboot your phone and the Auto 15. If that fails, press the reset pinhole to restore defaults. Then repair. This clears most stubborn pairing or audio routing faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.